Alhamdulillah wahdah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah. All thanks belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who called us to unity and warned us of division. The Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam left us upon a clear path. No one leaves it except one who is lost. Today, one of the biggest wounds in the ummah is sectarianism, division, and factional loyalty. Muslims became fractured into groups, each happy with its own name, each claiming the truth, while unity faded and love weakened. Allah said in the Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold firmly, all of you together, to the rope of Allah, and do not split. Unity is not many camps. It is one bond, the Book of Allah and the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah warned, وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا. Do not dispute with each other. فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ. Lest you fail and your strength fades. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned, سَتَفْتَرِقُ أُمَّتِي عَلَى 73 فِرْقَةً. My nation, my ummah, was split into 73 sects. كُلُّهَا فِي النَّارِ. Every single one of them will be in the fire. إِلَّا وَاحِدَةً. Except one. So the companions asked him, وَمَا هِي يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ? They asked, what is this sect? Or what is this singular sect that will be saved from hellfire? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, مَا أَنَا عَلَيْهِ الْيَوْمِ وَأَصْحَابِي. Those who are upon what I am upon today and my companions. So salvation, therefore, is not in the name of a group, nor in a banner, nor in an organization. Rather, it is in following the methodology of the Prophet ﷺ and his companions in knowledge, actions, belief, and conduct. Amongst the most dangerous forms of partisanship are making the truth follow the group instead of the group following the truth, and showing loyalty and enmity based on names or based on your group rather than based on the truth, and justifying errors when they come from your own group, while exaggerating them when they come from your opponents. This contradicts the way of the righteous predecessors, the Sahafah District. As Imam Malik once said, كُلٌّ يُؤْخَذْ مِنْهُ قَوْلُهُ وَيُرَدْ. Everyone, their speech can be accepted and can be rejected, إِلَّا صَاحِبْ هَذَا الْقَبْرِ. Except the one who is in this grave. And he said this while pointing to the grave of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the criterion with Ahlul Sunnah is evidence, not personalities. The truth is not known by men. Rather, men are known by the truth. The Jama'ah is not any particular group. Rather, they are the Muslims who are upon what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions were upon. So let us return to the Book of Allah, to the Sunnah of His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the way of the Salafus Salih, the early pious Muslims. May Allah unite our hearts, clean them upon desire, and keep us firm upon the truth. Wabillahi tawfiq. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.